If you want to change the message tone on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have two options. The first option is to go to settings, then over here choose sound and vibration, and then in here we should be able to find the notification tone. We can change the notification tone, which includes a sound that the phone makes when you receive a new message. If you want to change the tone for all notifications, then of course you can do so over here. You can go through these categories and you can choose whichever sound you want to set up, and this is going to impact also the sound when you receive a new message. Now, in case you want to change the message tone specifically, so the sound that you specifically that is specifically played when you receive a new message on your phone, then in that case you want to go to apps in settings, then go to the app management. In here we need to find the messages app. There we go. Now in here choose manage notifications, and then we need to find incoming messages. Now we can tap on the ring option in here, and once we go through settings you should be able to then decide once again which sound should be played when you receive a new message from someone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.